we will be discussing about CLC, but first I have to share my screen. Okay, so I will be sharing my screen now. Okay. Okay. So again, it's have to check if I'm recording. Okay, where's the meeting? Yeah, we're recording. I'm on mute. Okay, we're good. So again, today we will be discussing the first part of the CLC topic. So first part siya guys because I'm actually planning to deliver this into two different session. Para di na kayo siya too much inyo ano. Okay, so again, the topic is all about combinational logic circuits. So just to give you general information, CLCs are actually like type of circuits that you were using before. So what I meant by that is katong mga XS3, katong mga circuit that will check if something is odd or even, no, those are actually the type of circuit. Basically, all circuits that you made sa atong class, uh, those belong to the CLC. So CLC is actually one type of logic circuits because overall we have two different types, and that's wait. Okay, so first part is the combinational logic circuits and the sequential. So today we will just be discussing combinational. Next na topic na to will be sequential. So what is combinational? So combinational are just wait, a circuit that consists of logic gates whose output at any time depend from your input. So basically in a CLC circuit, for you to get the desired output, dapat na kay set of input. So that's why when I ask you to make like a truth table, no, so by making truth table, you would know how a circuit would behave. So out of that truth table, you can get the Boolean expression. So it's either imo ba na siyang i-simplify using Boolean algebra or K-map. But yeah, but those times guro guys nga like given na mo og expression daan, no, given na mo og katong K-map daan. So again, still CLC gyapon to sila, but ang idea lang jud with CLC is your output depend from your present inputs, and you can only appreciate those relationship by looking at the truth table. So since you've been working on a truth table since our class started, and also you already know Boolean algebra, K-map, no, so which again are used to simplify circuits. So and CLC performs a specific information specified sa imong logics by a set of Boolean functions. So basically guys, when you say CLC, ang function ana niya is specific kung unsang imong gi-design. So you would start by designing, say again, if you want to design a circuit no that will in display LED nga siga if it detects even, no, so mag-start yun as a problem, and then after analyzing the problem you will then create the truth table, and according sa truth table you would need Boolean function. So you would need expression, which again taken from your truth table. And another type, guys, is kaning sequential. So sequentials are outputs. Wait. Outputs depend. Ako sa minimize. So siya, guys, ha? Okay. Output depends on your outputs depends on the present input and past output. So if ang combinational magdepende ra jud siya kung unsay like combination nimo dira, no, it's either 1001, 100 whatsoever. So whatever your combination, it would the output would reflect kung unsay imong gi-design nga circuit according sa combination sa um katong binary. But in sequential guys, still mo consider gyapon siya og input present input, but it will consider your past output. So meaning, ang sequential DI na ni something nga mo store sa previous nga output para i-consider niya to get your to get your output, because again, sequential will depend on the input plus previous nga output. Whereas combinational depends only on your input, meaning wa siya pake kung unsay nahitabo sa previous nga mga outputs. Kani combinational, it's again you are just considering the inputs. So, again katong mga gipang work ninyo before, those types are actually belong to combinational logic circuits. So kinda different lang sequential because naman na siya usa ka component nga mo hold og kanang like mo hold og previous nga outputs. Okay, so for in a CLC, for n input variables, there are 2 raised to the power of n possible combinations. Or in short, if you remember guys, katong number of variables that I ask you, ya naman tay example atong x is the variable, di ba naman tay 2 raised to the power of x to get the rows. Karon ang rows represents a combination. So again, you've been doing this like since our class started, but you just don't know no nga CLC dito siya ka-type. So again, for each possible input combination, you would have one output. Okay, so this is the generic nga block diagram sa any CLC. Is imo siya tagag n inputs, which is n. Again, it's a variable. Say n is 2, n is 4, n is 5, blah, blah, blah. And then your outputs will also depend on your, again, will also depend on say logic sa imong circuit. Okay? But the combinations, again, 2 raised to the power of n. So again, if you have two variable, so it would mean that you would need you have 4 possible input combinations. If you have 5 variable input, so it would mean that you have 32 possible input combinations. Okay? So again, this is just a block diagram. It's CLC meaning gifed siya. So your n input will release m outputs depende sa CLC nga design. Okay, so the start of a CLC would start from the specification of the problem. So of course, guys, in designing, you have to know unsa man yung solve nako. Okay, and then after that, mag-make dayon ka og truth table, and then out of the truth table, you would have pwede ka mag-use og kanang katong unsimplified katong example if your SOP imo ra kwa untong mga midterms nya ipang plus ra nimo, di ba? But if you want it to be simplified, so that's the time you need to use the K-map, you need to use the Boolean algebra to have a simplified expression. Nya mao na out of that simplified expression, you can draw the circuit diagram, and sa pato pwede nimo na siya i-implement sa actual nga hardware. So these are commonly used CLC. So kani siyang commonly used, guys, because actually you can literally make your own CLCs. Okay? So the term that we have here is the most commonly used, meaning if you want to purchase ready-made decoder, ready-made multiplexer, ready-made arithmetic logic circuits, it's there. But it doesn't mean nga need you ka mo palit. Again, you can make your own. You can design your own according sa imong need. But again, if your project requires you to use this commonly used TLCs, makapalit ra ka kuan like sa market no nga module na nga ready to use na lang. Nga di nakakailangan dira mag-ungate, mag-OR gate. Basically, it's like a whole module that kuan like functions kung unsa imong i-function. But again, you can design your own by following our process nga through table. You can get the expression. Again, you might want to simplify it, so that's why you use the Boolean algebra K-map. Then out of the simplification, you get an expression, and then you build the circuit. So for part 1, we will just be discussing the first 3 because this part, the remaining part will be discussed for the next session. So we have arithmetic logic circuits, code converters, and decoders. Again, these are commonly used CLCs. So first, code kani siya guys, code converters. So naa kay two types of converters. So you have binary to gray. Wait. So you have binary to gray. Mag-write sa ako ha. Wait. Okay. So you have types of code converters, binary to gray and gray to binary. Okay? So again, ang code converters na siya duha ka type, binary to gray and gray to binary. So first part is the binary to gray. So this is how you design a binary to gray converter circuit. So first guys, ay i-disregard sa ning naa diri sa babaw because kinda different na siya no with what you're seeing diri sa bottom part. So in example, this is kani siya no, this is the circuit diagram of a 4-bit binary to gray circuit. Okay, CKT as in circuit. So since it requires you to have 4-bit, so A, B, C, D is our inputs. And our output is your WXYZ, which is again, guys, these are just variables. So you can choose your own variable. Okay, so the first process is if you have an A, imura ng E, i-connect, basically i-series na nimo to get your first bit of output, which is W. Now, if you're familiar, this is XOR. And XOR, guys, this is the truth table of XOR, ha? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So, maoni ang XOR output. So, 0, 1, 1, 0. Meaning, sa XOR, muhay siya if either ra. So, but again, in a circuit diagram, mag-use radyo ka sa XOR nga symbol. Lagi itong XOR. Ito man tong ana, no? Basically, what you are seeing. Ana, nya. Dua ka input. Okay? Disregard lang ni mga dots. Okay, so, first bit, okay, i-mirror naman nimo no, i-connect ra nimo. Second bit nga input is mo nang i-input nimo sa imong first nga XOR. Which is, ang usa ka input gikan sa previous nga bit. And then you have your second bit of output. Now, for the third input, for you to get the third bit, consider the third input. Imo na po nang i-XOR diri sa kilid. Again, guys, kaning mga dot-dot, dili na siya necessary, ha? Pwede ra dyan na wala, kaning mga dots-dots. Okay? So, and then for the last na po, third XOR, ang fourth na po ka nga input bit, imo nang i-XOR sa last nga input. Basically, mura siya gatapad gani nga. For you to get the output of this bit, kani siya nga bit, imong i-XOR diri sa iyang tapad. Okay? Again, this is 4-bit binary to gray. So when you say 4-bit, 4-bit ka input, 4-bit ka output. Okay? So this is ari sa taso. I'm gonna check if makakuan ko. Ay, continuity na eh. What's that, guys, ha? Ay, wait. Where is it? Okay, still, I think I still. So now, guys, if you want to kuan, mana nino, XOR na nino, i-keep sa nako, ha? So if you want to have, naman ni whiteboard, wait sa, guys. Shared, ako sang na ato'y board ang Teams. O katry sad. Rooms, chat, react, raise more. Wait. I need to write. Kanina lang daw, no? It's a ha. Na. So guys, ha? Laban lang ta guys. Okay, nakasuot ako. Perfect. Okay. Where's the full screen? I don't see the full screen. Okay. So anyway, I hope you can see my screen. Wait sa. Lisod ba ani? Tabang. Sa ha. Okay. I am hello. Who has I collect it. Wait a guys. I need an extra slide. Mag-add sa akong slide para naatay extra. Dire. Okay. Okay. Maghimo na lang kog extra. Okay. I'm gonna go back. Okay. So again, balik ta sa binary to gray. So again, you just need to use XOR. So now what if I ask you to design example or draw the circuit diagram of a 3-bit binary to gray converter. So now guys, ang inyong cube like clue na in a 3-bit example, there is no 4-bit man eh. So ang XOR nga you need is 3. Meaning, ang number of XOR operator minus na ni mugwan ang pila ka bit, that's the number of XORs that you have, that you need the. So in a 3-bit, so of course you need 2 XORs. Okay? Say for example, we'll just use ABC. Our output is say X, Y, Z. So again, first is i-connect ra jud sa output. So this is our input, this is our output. And then mo gamit ra ta og XORs. Okay? Just draw an XORs. Unya kani mo na input sa XOR to get your next bit. Unya kanina pod input sa imong XOR to get your next bit. Okay? So inana siya guys. So mao na ni ang answer. 3-bit nga binary to gray converter. Still if you need 10 bits, so need sa kag 9 ka XORs. So nya kani guys, kaning sa babaw, these are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a 10-bit binary to gray BTG converter. But again, kuan na ni siya, gitaga na kag bits. Meaning, kunuhay, this is a variable A, B, C, D, blah, blah, blah. Meaning, ang iyang variable, gitagaan na niya actual nga binary. So again, since we are using an XOR, mo na ni siya no. So, yung buhaton guys, again, ang first bit, imo ra mang i-mirror sa ubos. So, of course, this is the binary, this is the gray output. So, next, for the second bit is imo ra nang XOR according sa kaninga truth table. Which is again, mo 1 na siya sa 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay? Diri ang output. So again, 1 XOR 0 is 1. 0 XOR 0 is 0. 0 XOR 0 still 0. 0 XOR 1 is 1. 0 XOR 1, I joke. 1 XOR 1 is 0. 1 XOR 0 is 1. 0 XOR 1 is 1. 0 XOR 0 is 1 and 0 XOR 0 is 0. So again, ang difference na jud aning circuit diagram, when I say circuit diagram, you need to draw the symbol. But if wala ra, example, mingon ako, what is the binary, what is the gray equivalent of this binary. So inyong buhaton is kanira. No, di na mo mag-drawing. So in relation to that, say for example, mingon ko convert to gray from 101 binary. Ana na lang, okay? So meaning convert to gray from murong grammar siya guys, pero so inyong buhaton na 1 1 0 1 0. So i-write lang ninyo ang kaning given. Again, this is the binary and we are looking for the gray. So again, XOR lang. So butang na tog XOR, di ba? Mao man yung symbol sa XOR. Ana. So again, this is pila ka bit? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 ka bit, so you would need 4 XORs. 1 2 3 4. Unya ang first bit nga output is mirror or imo lang i-copy. Yeah, 1 XOR 1 is 0. Unya 1 XOR 0 is 1. 0 XOR 1 is 1. 1 XOR 1 is 1. Okay, so 1 0. Yeah. So mo na yung answer, guys. Okay, but again, if I ask you to convert this into this one, but again, if mayngon ko draw the circuit diagram, mao ni siya. So mo use kag mga variables. Okay? So same ra gyapon nga concept, pila ka bits will depend kung pila ka book XORs. So for example, draw the circuit diagram of a kunuhay mo na ko siya og kuad. Himuon na to og kaning green. Himuon na to diagram of 101 binary to gray instead of 3 bits. So if inana kaning ABC ilisa na din mo 1 0 1 kay gitagaan mo kag actual value, di ba? So let's solve for the variables or the XYZ. So 3-bit man gyapon, so you would need 2 XORs. So again, copy the 1, then 1 XOR 0 is 1. 0 XOR 1 is still 1. So ang answer aning 101 nga binary is 111 nga gray. So inana lang siya, guys. Okay, so I hope na gets ra. Again, if may ko draw the circuit diagram, that's the time nga need ka mo draw. But if may ko convert to gray, nya nihatag ako specific nga binary, no need to draw, but butangan na ni mo ani nga solution. Okay, katong murag inani ba? Kani siya, kani naka-green. Okay, murag inana. Okay. So next is the reverse, which is reverse is obviously the gray to binary. If it's gray to binary, kana siya. So, XOR gyapon, guys. Still, example, kani siya nga bit. Let's count the number of bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, this is 6-bit binary. So, of course, imong gray. So, imong output is 6-bit gray pod. Okay? Same ra gyapon, XOR. Sige, itong XOR, input 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, same ra, guys. But, first bit is copy man gyapon na. Ang second bit, ang succeeding bits, is instead of comparing sa iyang tapad, ganina ang tapad man niya nga bit, di ba? Tapad man niya nga bit. Karon ang output niya nga tapad. So, what I meant by that is, mura kag mo cross to get your next nga bit. So, you are comparing now is ang output with the present, output with the input. Okay? So, 1 nga output, 1 XOR 0, you get 1. 1 XOR 1 is 0. 0 XOR 1 is 1. 1 XOR 0 is 1. 1 XOR 1 is 0. So, mao na ni siyang answer, guys, nga binary. And this is gray. Now, if ato po ng drawingon, tani siya is, again, 4-bit nga circuit diagram of a gray to binary code converter circuit. Okay? Same ra gyapon. If this is X, Y, Z, again, these are just variable. You can use your variable. So this is your input, or again, this is in gray. And this is your output. So this is your output or your binary. Okay, same ra gyapon. I need 4 bits, so I would it would require me 3 kabuok XOR 1, 2, 3. So again, first bit is also copy. Mao nang connect ra na siya dira. Second bit is same ra gyapon, no? Ang X, actually ana na siya guys, but connected ra ang gihapon eh. So that's why kanira black, no? So again, disregard gyapon sa kaning mga dot ha, wala pang aesthetic ra dyan na siya dira. Okay, so again, to get the second bit, i-connect mo as input sa imong XOR ang present bit, which is ang X, unya ang iyang output. Next na po, output with the next bit. Output with the next bit. So you get ABCD. So inaana na siya guys. Bali ra jud. Basically the same ra jud siya atong una. Kani. But ang ganina lang, ari lang ka sa tapad lang kam connect, meaning input, input. Karon kay mura kag muliko, no? Need ka muliko kay ari makamukuha sa output. Okay? So anahuman mag and show sa ako ha. Discard. I think mauna binary. Okay, binary. Okay. Okay. So for example guys, atin ato ning ansira ng atong example ganina no para naa siya connection ba. So say for example, wala gito ganina. Wala gi-discard ay nako. Lol. Anyway, ito na lang ni ansiran. Say for example, you have kani ato ni balikod. 1 1 duha ka 0 10 1 1 0. So for example, convert so for example, draw the circuit diagram of a 3-bit gray to binary converter. Okay? So again, same gyapon guys. Example mo use tag variable nga w, x, y. Again, variables are kuan ha, unsay gusto nimo i-use no, you can use that unless specified siya. So this is our given gray. Our output is in binary. So again, i-connect lang dyan na din ha, and then mag-drawing na lang kag XOR daan. No, ana tong XOR. So again, duha ka XOR kay 3 bits naman ta. Kaya output, output, input, input. Again, ang sunod niya nga input is ang tapad. But if ari ka sa B, ana na ka mo cross na ka. Okay? Do ka ni pwede mo jud ka mo cross diri no, but again since naka-series ra man ni, so no need ani siya. So kanira jud ka dapat no para mas limpyo siya tan-awon ba. Anyway, mo na siya. So also I remember ganina nga murag 111 atong answer sa binary and this is 101 I think. So let's try. So for example, draw the circuit diagram of a circuit that converts binary 111 to gray. Say kuno hay given ka og let's change the ink to given ta og 111. Okay? Dapat makakuha tag 101. So all we need to do is again i-mirror which is 1 XOR. Itong XOR mo 1 ra ang XOR if 0 1 1 0. So 1 XOR 1 is 0. 0 XOR 1 is 1. So sakto ra nga nibalik ra ta sa to example ganina nga 101 niya 111. Okay, so I hope that's clear. So again guys, to conclude about this, by code converters na Kay duha. Na siya gray to binary niya, nasa siya binary to gray. So ang idea lang, ang operator lang jud niya is the XOR. So pila man ka number of XOR, answer ana is kung pila ka buok variables, no, yeah, pila ka buok inputs or bits, minus og 1, that's the number of XORs that you need. Okay? Yeah, mao na to. So if binary to gray, kilid-kilid lang no. Ang 1 i-compare nimo sa 0. Unlike with gray to binary, ang output sa karon nga bit or sa yung previous nga bit is mo na i-consider gamiton niya sa yung XOR to get your bit sa kana nga output. So meaning mura kag mo cross in short. So kinda you need to memorize to this one guys kay wala jud ni for me wala jud ni shortcut. So all you need to do lang jud is to remember pila ka bits o say output sa bits no, which again can you need to know the truth table of an XOR. Okay? So mao na siya. So next is second nga CLC is kaning arithmetic logic circuits. Okay? So naon sa nato guys. Yan. Ay wait sa ha. Ako sa siya okay. Other other code converters. Wait sa converter okay naman ta. Okay, sige sige. So next is we have the arithmetic logic circuits. So in arithmetic logic circuits, you have types pod. You need to memorize yun. Okay? So in arithmetic logic circuit, so you have an adder which literally outputs the sum and the carry. Okay. And you also have the subtractors. Okay. Subtractors nga, CLCs. Which again, naasa na siya difference and borrow. Same rin gihapon sa katong elementary na to nga mga subtraction, addition, no? Naapod din na siya sa kuan logics. Okay, so but naapod yun ni type guys. So when you say full, so you need 3-bit nga input. So when you say half, that's 2-bit input. So meaning in an other, naa pa siya sub. Yeah. Ang other guys naa siya full other. Yan na po siya half other. Now in subtractors, naa siya full subtractors. Nasa siya half subtractors. Okay? Okay. So kana siya. Again, ang difference of full ug half is the number of bits. When you say full, it's always 3-bit. So wala da ini siya wala na siya 4-bit guys, wala 5 bits, wala 1 bit. It's always 2 or 3 depende kung unsa nga type. So first type is kaning half other, which is first type siya kaya naman siya sa notes. Excuse me. So when you say half others, again, you need 2 inputs. Again, the input variables are just variables, so you can use any variables that you have. And output variables are the sum and carry, or you can have S and C. So in input variables, guys, same gyapon. This is obviously the truth table. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. In sum, this is how you do it. Okay? So, kuan siya guys para di mo maglibog sa kuan sa addition sa binary. So, inyo ni siyang i-treat as in ano siya para murag kanang shortcut ba. So this is inyo sa siya i-convert into 1-bit nga decimal. Okay? So magbutang kog other color diri. Mura na siya comment for us to have a comment. So again, 1 bit nga A, 1 bit nga B. So 1 bit 0, 0, 1, 1. Actually same ra jud kay ang decimal nga 1 is 1 ra man pud na sa kuan no, labi na 1 bit. Diba? Same, actually the same ra siya guys, but we're actually referring to the decimal. Now, nya ato sang i-add diri ang decimal nga sum, diba? Para i-disregard sa inyo ang binary. So when you get the sum, you need to get the decimal nga sum of the two. So 0 plus 0, so you get 0. 0 plus 1, you get 1. You have 1 plus 0, you get 1. If you have 1 plus 1, you get 2. Again, we are just looking for the decimal. Now, after sa decimal, you get now the decimal. Imo na siya i-convert back to binary. So again, nanatay 0, 1, 1, 2. Okay, so i-convert tayo nimo guys. So 0 in a 2-bit sa output guys, it's always 2 bits output. So ana na lang ni siya. So this is carry bit, nya sum bit. So basically imong MSB ana actually di man mo matter sa no, but mahog ang imong mo kinda mo matter siya, but diri manggod kay interchange manggod siya. So mahog yun siya guys nga MSB nimo is your carry bit, LSB nimo is your sum bit. Again, when you say LSB, there is a left. Joke. Yeah, sakto. Ang least significant bit na address sa right side. Again, convert sa nato ang 2 bits nga output nga 0, which is again 0, 0. Ang 1 is 0, 1. Ang 1 is again 0, 1. Ang 2 is 1, 0. Diba? Ano man to 1, 2. Okay? So, mauna ni ang imong output, but again, you have to choose unsa ang imong carry bit ug unsa imong sum bit. But again, according sa kani nga rule na to, ang nasa left, basically, in a conversion, this is your MSB and this is your LSB, di ba? Your MSB is your carry bit. Your sum bit is your LSB. So that's why guys, sum na siya guys, 0, 0, 0, 1, mao ni si carry, 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 1, 1, 0, mao ni si sum. Sum bit 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, so recorded man ni, i-review lang jud. Para di mo maglibog sa other kay masayon ba i-add kung decimal, di ba? So i-convert na lang ninyo back to binary. So again, atong technique sa half adder is since 2-bit naman siya, atong i-convert into 1-bit nga decimal. Ang inputs, nya ato siyang gi-add ang input, so mo aning natay 0112. Nya kaning decimal nga output atong i-convert balik sa binary, which again considering kung unsay MSB o unsay LSB. Okay, ang question ma'am nganong nag-una man diri ang sum nya kun ingon ka ma'am ang sum na diri sa right. Again din na siya mo matter guys diri kay output naman ka nga side, so di na mo matter unsa giuna nimo nga gi-implement kay mahog man ni nga 2-bit inputs man ni kay different ka na circuit sa sum, different ang circuit sa carry. So di siya mo matter. So mo matter siya sa pag-build na lang nimo sa circuit. So again, my point here, dili mo matter nga nag-una nimo pagkasuwat ang sum over sa carry. So they can interchange, but better jud if giuna nimo ang carry and then sum para mo follow ka sa kani nga atong template nga carry sum. Carry MSB, sum is LSB. Okay, that's, I don't know if it's still clear, but kuan din na ninyo ang circuit. So since kuan na siya guys, what do you call this? Ito sa Erison ha. Okay, ano siya ha? Siya. Okay, so we'll write again. Okay, so again, ang kuan lang jud ninyo nga variable nga output sum is kaninang again SOP tatanan ha by default. I-plus na din ninyo ang midterm ani. So midterm is again this is A not B. Nya kani is A B not. So ana ra? A not B plus A B not. Or murag siya XOR. Di ba? Murag siya truth table sa XOR. So you can say A, XOR B. Again, kani or kaning sa babaw, they are again both okay. Yeah, ang carry na to guys is may laing 1 nya is OP man ta. So kanira, which is again 1, 1, which is A, B. Unya sa circuit diagram, mao ni ato sa Erison no kay murag makalibat siya. Okay. So mao ni ang circuit diagram, very cute ra jud. Okay. Mao ni ang circuit diagram. So dapat common ha, common ang A ug B kay other biya ni basically ang S ug ang C connected biya sila. So inana na siya guys. So ana lang, again this is XOR, mao nang XOR kaniyang gigamit kay mas simple man. But again wala gi-simplify ha. Iya lang equivalent kay mo siya gamit og truth table, di ba? Ay wa mo siya gamit og K-map or Boolean algebra. Okay. Unsa pa man nya. Kanina po, this is your sum bit and this is your carry bit. Okay. Again, carry is and A and B. Again guys, half other, pwede na line ang variable, but the sum and carry are always sum and carry. Okay, pwede na full word ng sum, full word ng carry, etc. And then my baby is crying. Okay. Sa kami. So, mo to siya. So, next is, ari na ta sa full other. Na naman tay half other, full other. When you say full other, guys, we are referring to a 3-bit nga input. So, in a 3-bit input, it's always S and C. But again, the variables are variables, so you can change them. But again, the output is always S and C. Same ra gyapon guys, since it's a 3-bit, so you would need 8 rows, diba? So, mana 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, mana siya. Okay, so 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, blah, blah, blah. So, the same gihapon ang approach nga, you have to start with the decimal. Ato gyapon patangag comment diri. 1 bit nga decimal. So, same ra gyapon guys. So, you have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Basically, i-rewrite na lang jud. But again, if mag-quiz sheet work ha, if inyong gidouble ba 0, 0, butang jud unsa na nga column, dapat na mo i-label unsa na siya nga column. Kaya kung wala na mamaynusan jud ta mo. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Same gihapon guys nga we have to add this in decimal. Okay? So decimal sum. So again, 0 plus 0 plus 0, so you get 0. 0 plus 0 plus 1, you get 1. 0 plus 1 plus 0, still 1. 0 plus 1 plus 1 is again 2. 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 plus 0 is 2. And 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So again, we have to convert gihapon this into 2-bit nga binary. And then ang iyang like order guys is you have the carry and then you have the sum. Your carry is your MSB which is naa sa left nga bit. Your sum is your LSB which is again naa sa right nga bit. Okay? So nana lang. So again, your 0 converted unsang ito siya pag convert 2-bit no. So ana 0 is 0 0. 1 is 0 1. 1 is again 0 1. Ito na siya i-change ang color. Okay, ano 0 0 0 1 0 1 2 is 1 0. Kabaw naman niya sa pag-convert. 1 is 0 1 2 is 1 0 2 is 1 0 3 is 1 1. Again, following this order MSB LSB. M is ang nasa left side sa kaninga conversion is your carry bit. And ang naa sa sum is naa diri sa ang sum is nasa right. So this is sum. Again, pabalik gyapon siya diri guys sa output. Again, pwede rin siya magka-interchange since output man siya. So di mag-matter ang order, but kind mo matter siya if magkuha na ka or like para sa to ganina ba nga 0001 blah blah blah. Okay? So ano sa sige, so mo nagyapon na guys, sum is 0, same ra na 0 0 0 1. Okay, basically the same ra kani sa kani atong solution. Sum na to is same ra gyapon. Wa nilabot nga 1 ha. 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. Okay? So inana gyapon na tong approach. Again, if maglibog pa jud mo guys, memorize na lang jud. Kay bisag unsa nimo pangita og full adder nga circuit, mauna jud ni. Meaning mauna jud ni ang truth table. Okay? Mauna jud ni ang truth table sa full adder. Again, mausab lang ang variable ani guys. Okay? So, mauna siya. Okay, so next is ari na punta sa I hope wala rin question. Anyway, this is recorded so you can always recheck this one. So, next guys, manaman ta sa other. Ari na punta sa subtractors. So, sa subtractor, actually wala siya sa note but ako lang i-handwritten. So, subtractor is again a 2-bit input that calculates the difference. Basically, subtractor nga kanang atong na-learn sa ano yan? Mickey Mouse? Okay. Tayo na ha. Okay. So again, guys, same ra gyapon ang variables are variables. Say for example, we have AB gihapon 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay? Unya sa subtractor guys, sa output niya nga side, you have the difference and you have the borrow, di ba? Inaana man na. Unya sa LSB, MSB po niya, ang MSB imong borrow, LSB imong difference. Okay? So ato na lang i-follow atong format. So you have the borrow, then you have the difference. Okay? Mana siya sa output. Okay. So, ang atong approach, the same ra jud gihapon. The same ra jud nga i-convert siya og decimal. So, I have here a decimal. Butangin lang jud siya kuan ha. So, 0011 kay the same ra jud ni. But butangin lang jud title sa imong column. So, again, this is your decimal. difference, okay? So 0, mahog siya guys nga A minus B. Okay, dili siya pwede other way around. A minus B, 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 1, pila man? Negative 1 man, di ba? You have 1 minus 0, it's 1, di ba? 1 minus 0 is 1. And 1 minus 1 is 0. I think. So again, we need to convert. So in converting, guys, 0, negative 1, 1, and 0. Okay. Now, ato follow gihapon to ni siya, guys. I convert pa din nato into 2-bit binary. Okay? Okay, say borrow decimal. So 0 is 0, 0. Now guys, if mo negative ka, iwana nimo ang borrow bit automatically. Always wanna, if mo negative ang imong answer, negative 2, negative 1, i-borrow na, iwana ang imong borrow bit. So, mahog man na siya, di ba? Remember man mo sa borrow, di ba nga, example, may kag 5, example, may kag 14, na, 24 minus 5. Di ba? 4 minus 5, pila man, cannot be. Mo nag-ingon nga cannot be. So, mahimo ni guwan niya, mahimo ni 14. So, ang 14 minus 5, mahimo siya 9 niya, kani mahimog 19. So, di ba, inaana man atong way sa atong na-learn pag elementary. Same ra gyapon ana. Sa kaning negative lang, nahug siya nga, since negative man siya, guys, mo borrow ka og 1. So, if ni borrow ka og 1, mahimo na siya 1, 0. Okay? Mahug siya 1, 0, which is, again, this is 2 in decimal. So, automatically, guys, mahimo siya 2. So, again, if negative, automatically 1 ang borrow bit. Yeah, this is difference. Iwan na to da ng borrow bit, ha. Unya, now, sa difference lang, imo na tong i-consider ang katong ni borrow ka, which is, ang 2 minus 1, kay gibaro man na to, pila may answer? Obviously, this is 1. So, now, your difference or negative 1 will become 1. Again, this is taken from 2 minus 1. Again, as magikan ang 2, kay since negative man siya, kailangan nimo siya i-borrow. And kailangan mo siya i-borrow, imo na nimo siya 2. So that's why 1, 1. Now you have 1, diri na to sa third bit, which is again 0, 1. 0 is 0, 0. Okay, so borrow, so ato lang i-write diri, guys. Borrow na to is 0, 1, 0, 0. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Atong difference is 0, 1, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0. Okay. So, mauna po ni ang iyang half subtractor. Again, ang difference, okay na. So, ang difference ra jud, guys, if mo Google paghapon mo, it's always like this. May give me table of a half other, half subtractor, whole other. Mauna jud to. Mauna jud niya kung ipakita. Ako lang ipa-explain sa inyo, ha, kay para di na mo mag-friends. Kay masayon man jud ang kamo na lay maka kuha gud maka-solve kay sa memorize ninyo. But again, if pag too much jud sa inyo, ha, ang kaning pag-explain, ma'am, nga na mo ni ang output og nga borrow nga 0110, 0110, i-memorize na lang jud kay mauna jud ni siya. Again, I'm just explaining to you anong na siya. Okay, so mao nang half other. Again, a half subtractor, I mean. So, ang iyang kuan po, guys, ato na ko ng iyang expression. SOP gihapon ta. SOP nga borrow bit, it's 1. So, this is A, B. So, you have A not B. Okay? Now, in a difference, pila man? Mura po siya XOR, no? Ari ka, ana na lang ha, mura na siya XOR, mura siya truth table sa XOR. So, pwede kami nganog A, XOR B. So, mura siya XOR kay nga naman, kay, di ba, ang XOR kay ana man, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. So, mura siya truth table. So, that's why you can say A, XOR B. Or if di ka ganun mag-XOR, pwede nagyapon ka tong pataas nga A not B plus, mura ipang plus ang manungguan ba? A, B not. Okay? So, kamo na ay draw sa circuit diagram. Basta mauna ni ang expression. Again, if you want to use x, y, na variable, no, you can use that for the input, but for the output, it's always borrow and difference. Okay, subtractor man siya. Okay, now if we have, by the way, ako sa siya tiwason guys ha. Ay, asan na to? All other, subtractor man to. Ganina, no? Mao man yung subtractor. So now let's try a full. Now it's working. Full subtractor. So when you say full subtractor, guys, again, it's a 3-bit input. It's always a 3-bit if you want a full. Kuan pa ba na siya? Okay. Sige. So let's use variables gyapon. Same ra gyapon, guys. So we have same ho nagyapon tay kuan borrow nga output na atay difference. Okay? So let's say A, B, C. Unya output na to is borrow or B, no, na uban borrow ra jud ibutang niya. Ay B ra jud ang ibutang. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. So, same gyapon guys, nga ato ni siyang i-convert into decimal, which is again the same ra jud na decimal. Butangin na jud label sa imong column. Okay, or lain na nimo color, no, para makaingon ko nga decimal na siya. So same gyapon guys nga naatay difference nga decimal. Okay, ako lang ibutan dira. Again, 0 ang output di ay that's A minus B minus C. Or if you have XYZ, mahog siya diri nga ang unsay MSB to LSB ang order. Pwede mo kamaingon nga C minus B minus A. But ang order is MSB to LSB. Okay? Marag pasunod na siya ba? Okay, so let's subtract now. So you have 0, kaning 0 minus 0 minus 0, that's 0. 0 minus 0, pila man? 0. 0 minus 1, pila man? Negative 1. 0 minus 1, negative 1, minus 0. 0 minus 1, pila man siya guys? Negative 1 na nino. Negative 1. So ato na iwandaan ang borrow. Okay, anan ta borrow dire kay ato na nabutang comment dire nga borrow 1. So nahimo na nig 2 minus 1 it's ana na lang siya guys. Wait sabi. Para di mo maglibog, 0 minus 1 it's negative 1 minus 1 pa jud. That's negative 2. And then 1 minus 0, no, minus 0, so this is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. Minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 1, it's negative 1. Mommy is working. Mommy is working. Okay. And then, guys, let's convert. Now, again, ang borrow, if mag-negative siya, automatically automatic one imong borrow. So ato din identify asa man ang negative dire. So 1, 2, 3. Ako lang ipangwandaan ang mga negative. Okay? Okay? So ana. So ato na i-convert dire into 2-bit difference. Again, ana gyapon siya guys. Borrow and difference gihapon ha. So 0 is 0, 0. Negative 1 is, again, yun, sagit to na to, ganina ang negative 1. Negative 1, so mo borrow ka, mahimo siya, decimal nga 2. Diba? Nga 2, minus na nimo 1, so you get 1. Okay? Ana na siya. So, there is a negative 1, your borrow is 1, your difference is also 1. Okay? Unya diri it's negative 1 gihapon no. So same ra na guys, 1 1, same ra ani ba? Unya diri sad kay 1 ra man siya. Ay 1 nga borrow. So kani ang medyo tricky kay negative 2 man. So nahug ni siya para di ka ma-confuse. So ato lang itagsa-tagsa diri balik ka sa binary. Ana man ni siya no, 0 minus 1 minus 0 minus 0 minus 1, minus 1 pa jud. So itong buhaton is ato sa ning i-subtract na i-subtract dayon ang answer ani. So 0 minus 1 is again borrow 1 difference is 1, di ba? Gikan ani ba? Okay. So now guys, difference 1 na siya na 1 minus pa man jud tag 1. So mahimo na ni 0. Kaya ang difference man tong minusan. So mahimo siya borrow 1 difference kay 0. Okay? Nakagets ra? Basta timan-in na lang jud kung negative 1, ang combination na ha, 1, 1. Kung negative 2, 1, 0. Okay? And then you have 1. Kani 1 na ni problema dire. Ako na lang siya i-red, no? Para di mo malibat. So again, 0, 0, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 0. So 1 is, again, 0, 1. 0 is 0, 0. 0 is 0, 0. And negative 1 is, again, ano sa itong negative 1? Yan eh. 1, 1. Okay? So, following, mo na itong borrow, mo ni atong difference. Borrow is 0, 1, 1, 1. Upat ka, 0. Ay, tulo ka 0, 1. There is a difference kay 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay? So, inaano siya pagkuan guys, pagkuha. Ako sa i-verify ha. 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, check. Difference is 0, 1, 1, 0. Oh, wait. 1. Okay, so mauna po ni. Yeah. So, let's get the SOP lang of this one. SOP of borrow. Borrow is, again, ipang min-terms na lang yun siya, guys. Mommy is working. Play with this one. You can open it. You can open it. Go down. Open! Please. Wow. No. Okay, so atong expression guys is again is OP lang jud no, di na ta maglibog libog POS. So kuha na siya 2 3. So pwede na pa mag midterm. Ana na lang basta kay bawon naman mo di ba? Midterm 1, midterm 2, midterm 3, midterm 7. Or kanilang are recommended so A, B, C. Ako lang i-shortcut sa kanihan. A, B, C. 1 is 0, 0, 1. 2 is 0, 1, 0. 3 is 0, 1, 1. 7 is 1, 1, 1. So this is the borrow bit. Medyo taas siya. Pwede na nyo i-K-map Boolean algebra. And then for the difference bit, dako dyan siya guys. Ito na lang irisan. Okay. For the difference bit, you have, okay, is again, kanigihapon, M1 plus M2 plus M4 plus M7. Or, ano na lang, ABC. Again, if you don't want to use ABCD, pwede na, no? Sa internet, it might be XYZ, other variables, again, the same, but again, combination with the output, it's the same, guys. Ang variable lang sa input, mag-usab-usab. So, 1 is 0, 0, 1. M2 is 0, 1, 0. M4 is 100. 7 is 7. So, this is the SOP for inter. So, again, you can use K-map, Boolean algebra to simplify. But for me, I would prefer nga mga unsimplified. So when you say unsimplified, meaning, kaya lang mga kuan ha, min terms ra nga gipang, or katong SOP lang niya. Dili na ka nag kuan. Ma'am is working. Okay, so like this one guys, balik ta diri sa notes, ato lang follow notes. So mao ni siya ang ganina, di ba, full adder, blah blah blah. Pwede po niya gi-K-map, but sa iyang pag-K-map, no, mao single loop ra gyapon tanan. So mao ni siya ang sum, but for the carry, no, in fairness, ang carry naka-loop, so ni gamay ang carry. Unlike na sa katong ganina nga atong solve nga man to siya guys, but yeah, medyo taas-taas ang expression. But again, for me, I would prefer unsimplified, no? Especially sa LC naman eh. So meaning, di na ka kailangan mag-truth table, di na ka kailangan mag-K-map. Okay? If I ask you again, okay, to draw the circuit diagram or like design a CLC, a full adder circuit. When you say design, so you make truth table, you get the expression, and that's it. Okay? So that's for the arithmetic. So again, arithmetic, unsa to? Uy, ubay jud siya, ma'am. Char, who am I talking to here? So arithmetic is you have the adder, you have the subtractors. Nya, aside na napad jud kay full, napad jud kay half. Again, full is 2 bits. I know, full is 2 bits nga input. Full is 3 bit nga input. Okay? Yeah. So, ano siya, guys? And then last, since again, this is recorded, again, mauni ang truth circuit diagram niya, kabaw na mo, yun sa ni, again, kaning mga nodes niya, guys, pang aesthetic lang na. So, dili siya kailangan. Optional ring, lingin niya nga kaning more nodes nga akong ipang Xan ba. Okay? Paano na siya? Okay. Walter is Walter, no, Walter. Okay. This is your box. Get your box. Okay? So again, guys, this is recorded so you can memorize. You can revisit no the video if you don't understand. Basta mauna niya ang iyang Boolean algebra, but again, this is optional. No, kay pwede naman ko unsimplified. And mauna niya simplified nga version. Okay, obviously better ang simplified kay mas simple siya. So next is, again, we are done with the balik. Arithmetic logic circuits, katong adder, subtractors, code converter nga gray to binary, vice versa. Now we're going to the decoder. Okay. Decoder is kind of very simple. So decoder is multiple input, multiple output logic circuits that converts coded inputs into coded outputs. So this is also known, aka also known as code detectors. So this is the size. If na siya n input lines, output niya is 2 raised to the power of n. So meaning the size of a decoder is n by 2 raised to the power of n. So n represents a variable. Input variable. Say for example, I have 3 input variable nga decoder. So that's 3 by 2 raised to the power of 3. So I have 3 by 8 decoder. No, mo ni pasabot niya sa size. So if you have 2 input variable pod, so 2 by 4. Okay? And this is the block diagram. You have an input, and then output is raised to the power of n. And then deck is decoder nga circuit. Di siya pwede magkabaliha to raise to the power of n by 2 kaya di na siya mahimog decoder. So that's why it's called multiple input, multiple output. But if ganahan kag usa ka input na imong decoder, pwede ra jud kay na siya, guys. Okay? So now this is an example of a 2 by 4 decoders. So when you say 2 by 4, this is the input, 4 is the output. So you have natay duha ka possible output depende sa imong gusto nga output niya. So you can have active high and active low. So consider sa active high. So mohato na niya, guys, is again mo detect ra jud siya. So giunsa man niya pag-detect. So in a 2 by 4 decoder, two input. So say you have x and y. Again, x and y here are variables. So you can have a or b or whatever variables that you want. So usually no, so 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now, it would really help if you know the decimal or if you write the decimal 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, there is a output, kung upat man, di ba? So if you have 4 output, so you have 4 columns for the output. So iyan lang ibutan diri D, 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 D. Now, you have to put a subscript to determine unsa siya nga bit. So if this is 4, so you start counting from 0 to 3. So you have D0, D1, D2, D3. Okay? Ina na siya, guys. Now, ma'am, what if, ma'am, kanang kuan, bali, no? Naadiri imong D3, naadiri imong D3, D2, D1, D0. Pwede ra sa jukay na siya, guys. Okay? Basta butangin lang jug subscript. Okay? So, ang buhaton na to is, muhay rata. So, mamili rata sa imong output kay basically sa output niya sa 0, 0, you have 4 possible output, di ba? 1, 2, 3, 4. But pilion to nimo nga output kung unsay nagmatch sa iyang decimal. Diri sa subscript. So if you're in decimal 0, since you're in the first combination, ari ka sa 1 mo high. The rest ang D1, D2, D3 mo 0, 0, 0. So that is what you meant by active high. Meaning i-high nimo, i-1 nimo ang nagmatch nga decimal sa subscript. Okay? And then if you're in 1, meaning 1 decimal, so mangita na po ka asa sa upat ang nice subscript na 1. So obviously it's D1. So 1, 0, 0, 0. Next is you're in 2. So if you're in 2, so mangita na po ka asa ang nag-subscript nga 2, which is D2. So this is 1, 0, si D0 kayo. Wala siya nag-match. 0, and then D3 is also 0. Now if you're in decimal 3, obviously you need to put 1 there is a D3, so 0, 0, 0. So mauna ang iyang pasabot sa active high. Now if you have active low, imura juning i-invert, guys. Or in short, if you have an active low is 0 nimo and nag-match. Match na siya, ha? Match. So if your subscript matches with the decimal, imo na siyang i-0. Basically, mahol ni sa active low, mura siyang naka-POS ba? No, i-invert ni mo ang imong active high. But by default, we will be using active high. Okay? Same rin yapon, 0. So, ari ka mo 0 sa D0. If you're in 1, ari ko mo 0 sa D1. If you're in 2, ari ko mo 0 sa D2. If you're in 3, ari ko mo 0 sa D3. Okay? Di na siya pwede, guys, nga usa ka row, duha ka buok nag-high. If you're referring to active high. So meaning sa usa ka row, usa ra dapat mo on sa upat ka possible outputs. Okay? So basically in ana jud ang gimo sa decoder iyarang i-on kung unsa to yung mga nag-match sa subscript. Kung unsa na ka nga row. So that's why important kayo ning nakaibaw ka sa decimal, which is again sige mo balik-balik. Ma'am is almost finished. Okay, so mao po ni ang iyang what do you call this? Since upat man siya ka output, guys, so you need 4 ka circuit or 4 expression. No, kay assuming active high lang ta. Okay? So expression for D0, expression for D1, expression for D2, expression for D3. So same ra gyapon guys. Ang midterms gyapon. Oh, get the box. Get the box. Sorry. About this one? About this one? Okay. So guys, if magkuha na gyud ka sa expression, pa-vertical imong tan-aw ha. So, ari na ka. So for example, diri sa D1, na ako sa Arizona ha, kay medyo haggard siya. Ari sa to sa active high, so anyway naman instruction for active low. So again, if you're in D0, may lain nag 1, so your 1 expression is 0 or x naught, y naught. Again, active high ta ha. So your D0 is x naught, y naught. If you're in D1, ari siya ni 1 sa kani. So x naught, y. X naught, y. If you're in D2, ari ka nag 1 sa 1, 0. You have x, y naught. If you're in D3, ari siya nag 1 sa 1, 1. So you have x, y. Again, ang nag-0 inat. Mao ni siya kaning upat or in short kani siya guys. So in a decoder, duha na jud ka input nya butang ilagnat. Nya mao na ni 4 possible input. So 2 by 4. So 1 2 3 4. And nakay add. And gates. Okay? So separate jud siya. But again, common jud na dapat ang input di ka pwede nga maghimo kag xy sa D0 nya another xy sa D1, another xy sa D2, another xy sa D3. Okay? Now for active low, ganan kay himuan ning truth table, ang and himuon na nimo NAND. No? Kay mura ra man gud siya gi De Morgan. Inana ra jud siya guys. So for example, active low. So D0, D1, D2, D3. Same ra man no. So ato ra ni sundon, ato ra ning sundon kani siya, but ato lang na x naught, y naught, x naught y, x y naught, x y na inat ra na nimo tanan kay NAND man siya. So inana ra siya guys. Okay? If imo na i-De Morgan, mo na mahimo siya plus, mahimo siya murag POS nga style. Okay, so yung truth table pa yung circuit diagram po sa active low na po kay 0 diri at bubble again kay mahimo man siya NAND for active low ha. So the rest of the topics si Ma'am Jundit ang mag-discuss because naa siya requirements sa ilang doctoral no nga mo sit in siya sa tong class and then mag-discuss siya. So anyway, I will be kuan man pod, I will be observing her. So if na mo additional questions, we can me and Ma'am Jundit can kuan answer it. Okay? So again guys, this is recorded. So murag for me ang pinaka-simple i-memorize isang decoder kay na siya pattern kay murag. So now guys, another comment sa decoder. So if you have 3 by 8, so mahimo nig 8 ka input. So imong D0 mahimo po D7. So if you have 4 by 8 decoder, ay 4 by 16. So upat ka input 16. So mahimo kag D0 to D15 in a 4 by 16. Okay, so that's it. So again, kinda more on you need to familiarize jud ha. If you don't want to familiarize kay that's too much you can memorize. So okay, so thank you. That ends our recorded discussion for CLC part 1.